Let food be the medicine and medicine be the food. Today I'm going to talk about 17 basic immunity boosting list of the products. The number one is reishi mushroom. The reishi mushroom, also known as Ganoderma and Lindsay. It is a fungus that grows in various hot and humid locations in Asia. It has a variety of potential health benefits, including boosting the immune system and fighting cancer. The number two is turmeric. Turmeric may be the most effective nutritional supplement in existence. Turmeric contains bioactive components with powerful medicinal properties and it is also cost effective. Science has started look back upon what Indians have known for a long time. It really does contain lot of components with medical properties and it is very good for cold, cough and headache. Also it helps to improve the immune system. Number 3, garlic. Garlic is low in calories and rich in vitamin C, vitamin B6 and magnesiums. It also contains trace amounts of various other nutrients which is very good for health. Regularly using garlic in the food, it is good for your digestive system and immunity boosting. Number 4, ginger. Ginger water is full of antioxidants which play a very important role in helping your body to handle free radicals, lowering your risk of health conditions like cancer, heart disease and diabetes. Ginger water is also rich in minerals, potassium. So consuming a ginger water on regular basis, it's very good for your heart health. Number 5, onion. Onions are very nutrient dense, meaning they are low in calories but high in vitamins and minerals. Onions are very rich in B vitamins, including folate, which is B9, and pyridoxine, which is B6, which play a very key role in metabolism, red blood cell production, and nerve function. Good source of potassium, a mineral which many people are lacking today, but however we are using onion on a daily basis with our food. So if you consume onion on a regular basis, you will get all the uh, benefits like red blood cells, nerve functions and metabolism. Number 6, cardamom. Cardamom may be helpful for many people with high blood pressure, most likely due to its antioxidant and diuretic properties, which is very good for the people who is having a high blood pressure and it controls the BP level. Number 7, clove. Clove contains important nutrients and clove contains fiber, vitamins and minerals. So using whole or ground cloves to add flavor to your food can be the best for your nutritions and it provides lot of health benefits. Number 8, pepper. I hope you all heard about black pepper, which we regularly use in our food. So, black pepper is one of the most commonly used spices worldwide. Black pepper is rich in a potent antioxidant called piperine, which may help prevent free radicals damage to your cells. Chilies. It could be red chili or green chili. Anyway, we all use at home for each and everything apart from the sweets. Chili includes improves digestive health and metabolism, elevates migraines and may reduce the risk of cancer. It fights fungal infections and also cold and the flu, provides a joint pain relief, fights inflammation, supports cardiovascular health, may improve cognitive functions as well, may improve longevity, promotes red blood cell growth, improve our health and keeps your hair, skin healthy and more. Number 10 is mustard. We commonly use this mustard in every Indian kitchen, and it is quite beneficial for all of the people who is suffering from cardiovascular problems. It helps to manage your cholesterol level, and also it reduces the bad cholesterol levels in the blood cells, which is very necessary for your heart health. Number 11, Roselle flower. This Roselle flower belongs to hibiscus family, which is very rich in vitamin C and which is also very rich in or very powerful in antioxidant and may help you to prevent any kind of damages and diseases caused by the buildup of free radicals in your body. Holy Basil. Holy Basil has been shown to boost your body health in variety of ways. It can help to protect against infection, lower your blood sugar, lower your cholesterol, and it is also help you in the joint pain and protect your stomach. It has a very good health benefits. If you consume just 2 in a day, it is very good for your health and stomach. Number 13, ginseng. It is a very potent antioxidant that may reduce inflammation. Ginseng has beneficial antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Ginseng has been shown to help reduce inflammatory marks and also help you to protect against oxidative stress. Number 14, carrot, which is my favorite. It is very crunchy, tasty, and highly nutritious. Carrots are a particularly good source of beta carotene, fiber, vitamin K1, potassium, and antioxidants. They also have number of health benefits. They are a weight loss friendly food and also have been linked to lower cholesterol levels and improved eye health. Number 15, beetroot, which is packed with essential nutrients. Beetroots are a great source of fiber, vitamin B9, magnesium, potassium, iron, and vitamin C. Beetroots and beetroot juice have been associated with numerous of health benefits, including improved blood flow in your body, lower blood pressure, and increased exercise performances. If you want, you try this. Number 16, coconut. Coconuts, which is considered as God's favorite food, especially in India, which is highly nutritious and it has a lot of minerals. Coconut is very important for many functions in your body. Coconuts are especially highly in magnesium, which is essential for bone health and also to increase metabolism, and it has carbohydrates, proteins, and cholesterol, which is good cholesterol. They're also rich in copper and iron, which will help you to increase your red blood cells, as well as selenium, an important antioxidant which can protect your cells. Number 17, which is my favorite again. I love to eat almonds on daily basis. Almonds, which contains lot of healthy fats, fibers, protein, magnesium, and vitamin E, and it is very good for your skin. And also almonds help you to lower blood sugar levels, reduces the blood pressure, and lowers your cholesterol levels, and also reduces hunger and promotes the weight loss. If you want to lose weight, eat everyday almond by soaking it. Thank you so much for watching this. Hope this will help you to keep your immunity high during this pandemic. Let's be together and eat well, be healthy, be happy. If you like this, share, follow, and comment. Turn on your bell notification.